everyone, I'm Vina from JOYDELL. Today we are going to introduce the XCMG XGS45ACK-Li AerialWorkPlatform. First, let's look at the core operation capability. The maximum working height can reach 45.2 meters, which is almost the height of 5-story building. Next, it is perfectly suitable for maintenance and inspection work height. Rice building, the maximum work range is 22.1 meters, which means that it can cover a wide operating area without frequently moving the equipment. Deep and thick strips, so it grips well and can move steadily on complex sites. Also, the tire is thick and durable, able to withstand long-time work and reliably ensure the equipment's operation. Looking at the equipment itself, the total weight of the machine is 20,500 kilograms. Which ensures the stability during operating. Even if the boom is fully extended, it can be stable. The design of the operating room is also user-friendly, with clear displays and convenient operation, so novices can get started quickly. In general, XCMG XGS45ACK-Li is a capable assistant for aerial work, with reliable and powerful performance. If you have any questions about its operation or maintenance, please leave a message in the comment area. Thanks for watching. See you next time.